Number 8, so given the two chords intersect each other, you're going to solve for the value of x. Well, the fact that the chords are intersecting each other, something very unique happens, okay? We can now do this part. This part, which is 30, which is in red, if we multiply that to this part of that chord, which is 18, if we multiply those, that's going to be equal to this 27 times this x. Okay, the reason why is because the chords are proportional to each other, right? So now we can just multiply and solve. 30 times 18, this gets you 540 is equal to 21x. Then we divide, 27x. Okay, then we divide by 27 from both sides. Okay, this cancels. Use a calculator for this. This gets you 20 is equal to x. Okay, again, why is that? Okay, that is all it's saying is that 30 divided by this 20, okay, 7. So this long part, so this long part of the chord, okay, that's going to be equal to this short part of the chords. Okay, do you see that? 18 over 20. Okay, right? So 30 divided by 20, right? This is like 1.11. And if you do 18 divided by 20, 18 divided by 20, that's 0.9. Right, hold on, let me. Oh, sorry, I set this one up wrong. It should be 20. It should be 20 over 18. Yeah. So that's 1.11. Okay. Right, yeah. So I just set up the parts incorrectly. So there you go. See, there's a relationship between the chords. Okay. So that's why it works that way. All right. So here we go. We can do it again. We can do this part times this part. So the 14 times the blue part, which is x plus 1 is going to be equal to, let's say, this part, which is 16 times, say, the purple part here, which is 2x minus 15. Put it in a parentheses when there's more than one term, right? So this is actually you have to distribute here. Also, as well as this, you have to distribute, okay? 14 times x is 14x. 14, right, times 11 is 14 times 11 is 154 is equal to 16 times 2, which is 32x. Then we have 16 times 5, which is 80. Okay. All right, so now let's combine some like terms. I minus the 14x to both sides. This gets you 18x minus 80. Then we add 80 to both sides. This does cancel the right hand side. 154 plus 80 gets you 234 is equal to 18x. Divide by 18, divide by 18. You get x is equal to 13 as the final answer. Okay, so there you go. All right. So again, you need to understand about this part about the chords, okay? That the parts of the chords, when they multiply together, is equal to the other part of the chords multiplied together.